Why do flocks of birds swoop and swirl together in the sky? A biologist explains the science of murmurations. I love this effect.
Yeah.
I'm mesmerized when I see these things take place, where these birds seemingly have some sort of telepathic capability.
It's like a swarm of birds. Do you?
But they don't bump into each other.
No.
In
the sky.
They are like aware of some kind of movement, of some kind of environmental characteristics that cause them to move in a certain way. And I guess that's exactly what we're going to discover here, or at least a scientist is going to aim to explain it to us.
Can you guess first?
Is there like one specific...
It's one specific reason.
Why they do this?
Why they gather, yeah.
Is it some sort of defense thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. There we go.
That wasn't. I wasn't super confident in that. A shape-shifting flock of thousands of starlings called a murmuration is amazing to see. As many as 750,000 birds.
That's insane.
Join together in flight. The birds spread out and come together. The flock splits apart and fuses together again. Murmurations constantly change direction, flying up a few hundred meters and zooming down to almost crash to the ground, like swirling blobs making teardrops. There are many birds that form these groups called flocks. It's called, this special kind of flock is named for the sound of a low murmur it makes from thousands of wing beats and soft flight calls. So you can get these before sunset in fall, winter, and early spring when the birds are near where they'll sleep. After maybe 45 minutes of this spectacular aerial display, the birds all at once drop down into their roost. Scientists think it's a visual invitation to attract other starlings to join a group at a night roost. One theory is that spending the night together keeps them warmer. As they share their body heat, it might also reduce the chance an individual bird would be eaten overnight by a predator, such as an owl. Okay, so I've obviously seen this with small birds like starlings. I had an experience where I saw a much smaller version of this with bigger birds. I don't know if they were crows, but they were flipping out. It was like a storm or something, and it was in my neighborhood, and they were going nuts.
How many?
Making noise.
Thousands?
No, not thousands. It was probably like maybe 100.
Okay.
And they couldn't agree on where to sleep. They would all go down around a group of trees and then get up and fly and make a bunch more noise and then pick a different spot and then get up and fly and pick a different spot. Like they were negotiating.
Yeah.
No, here. No, I want to stay here. And I guess it must have been a similar thing where they sensed some sort of incoming threat and they became really concerned about where they were going to stay that night.
Well, it says that they can do this for up to 45 minutes to kind of figure out a place to rest.
That's exactly what I spotted. I had seen it with the small birds before, but I never saw it with the larger ones. Because I would assume as well the larger ones are less prone to risk factors from the same predators and things like this. But very interesting stuff. Love this stuff.
Yeah,
absolutely.
nature.
Yeah, I love this stuff. So interesting.